Hey, another new technology that I found was fuelthebrain.com. This is a website, so you can get it from any browser, any computer, laptop, anything that you have internet access through. So fuelthebrain.com. Why did I like this? I thought it was a fun website for kids to learn and play. I think it's so important that we make learning fun, especially in all throughout, but especially in the lower grades, so that they start having that love for school early on. My purpose for this was making the academics part enjoyable for the kids, so them enjoying actually learning something. My audience is kindergarten, and my IST standards would be 1A, ensuring all students have skilled teachers who actively use technology, and then 2C, so evaluating progress on the strategic plan and making sure that we can measure it and show that they show growth. So as I go back to Fuel the Brain, as you can see, there's games, and they're all interactive games that they can play. There's printables for the teachers. Now this is a free website. You can log it, or you can get your account and log in. There's also a premium account. So if you did that, that would be full access, but that would cost money. But there's so much you can do on just the free account. So that's what I'm showing you today. There's teacher guides and articles. So, just all different things that might be beneficial for teachers, ways to teach, how to help, things like that. There's mini books, and I haven't really dived too deep into this, but students make their own mini books. So that might be something for a little bit older to use. But one game I wanted to show was the letters. So all down here, there's math games, there's numbers counting, phonics, and science, things like that. I like the phonics game, and I specifically like the letter leap. This is one that I found to be so helpful, and we focus a lot on letters and sounds. So you start up here at the frog, and he wants to get all the way to the dock. Then you see what letter. So it's telling me S or F, and I have to find the correct letter each time. So if I click the wrong one, oh no, and I go back to where I was, and it limits that choice. So, and you try and get all the way to the dock. So I think kids would really have a good time with this.